Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll be discussing Noah Lyles and his girlfriend, the gossip in track and field drama. He's been claiming that he's the fastest man alive, or other people when he goes on their platform that he's the fastest man alive, and him not clear it up. And it really a bother me. It's a bother me. Some people all ask if Bolt dead, but anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and stay tuned.
Thank you.
I'm honored that you're here. The fastest man in the world is a title that you earned at the 2023 World Championships. It's got to feel good to say that you're the fastest man in the world.
It does. It feels very good.
What? What?
I mean, fastest man in the world.
Yeah, that's something.
I like, what kind of powerful does that feel like? I would feel amazing.
For me, it's kind of an everyday scenario.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so he went on not one, not two, a couple of shows he went on claiming he's the fastest man in the world. And it's just not sitting well with us Jamaicans, because we know that's not true. Anywho, if you haven't seen it yet, he also was on a podcast at the show All I Business Them wine chat with Iheartmanni woman when them have pillow talk, and this is what he was saying.
You know how that transition's going, what things are looking like, and once again breeding up those conflicts, the conflict resolutions that they did have.
It's funny you say that because Janelle being Jamaican and having trained in MVP, I've been getting the drama from Jamaica in camps for at least 5 years now. There's a lot of times where I make references to Jamaicans. I'm not saying it because I'm like trying to go back and forth. It's because I know information that other people don't. And it's like Janelle and Elaine used to be very close friends. Like they were training partners through 2021, very close. Then she was extremely close with Sharika. She's still very close with Sharika. You see her in the series doing Sharika's hair. That's Sharika's wig woman right there. She's already, she was just buying wigs for Sharika to bring to the Olympics yesterday. And even talk about like Kashane Oblique, she's close with Kashane. I've known about a lot of the Jamaicans that are on the underground and usually Janelle's eye for talent is very strong. If she says that somebody's going to run fast, they usually run fast. So I'm very hip to information that a lot of people is just like, oh, this came out of nowhere. No, I kind of saw it. And when we were in the interview and they said how fast he runs, I said, I hope he stays injured because I know that he's had a hard history with injuries. And that every time he runs fast, he usually has to be taken off because he usually hurt. So the fact that he was able to keep going is like, oh, this is great. He's actually being able to show his full potential.
And the wickedest thing when you chat somebody and then go out and tell somebody what close to the person, or even tell about the same somebody. But when you tell the world and then if somebody will chat back at your man, no man, everybody will look on you like a sissy. God no, I don't rate that. And then when they see all that post when him take a picture with him fingernail of a nail polish, what kind of man that man? Anyway, the next video is about Quite Perry and this guy, I forgot his name, Amelia or something like that. He said that back in the day, Dutty Berry was grooming him and make Quite Perry looking. Now, if you've been living under a rock or take notice, everybody knows say Quite Perry is gay. Like, if you don't have I can't help you, because have you ever seen him with a girlfriend? Come on. Anyways, yeah, so he's coming on TikTok now and I expose them, so no listen up.
Bottom. No ramp him a ramp. Him put lighter on them bottom. Then, I said, give me lighter. Him said, no. So I hold on the chair angle and lift it up, the lighter drop and him get up. Him not drop nor nothing, him get up. I take up the lighter and but, I wanted to leave. Brother, you're a batty man, brother. Use a fish. You know long my vex? You know, along with X, I told me to go live like some of them youth. The amount of people me expose, the amount of people. You know, along with X, a batty boy. Berry's a faggot, here my fish. Oh, me and Pang did a part. You remember Pang? Remember Pang? Me and Pang did a part them time. One time, we go over my house, them time, yeah, as me say, like, I never have no washing machine, no water in my house, and my did kick me out, you see me? Bro, Berry used to help me out, bro. That's, hey, them batty man, yeah. Bro, Berry used to give me clothes for wear on the TV, interview them. You see, me I give credit where credit is due. He man help me, but then when he tell me for him kick me out because no bro. Then I know say one time my guy in my house, I believe this is when I have the Smile Jamaica interview. Go up on my channel, I go up on Smile Jamaica, bro. And Berry said forward at my house. Berry would have get me the shoes them from the clothes store, but basically him using him here. Them time him was nobody know me. And he would have get me the stuff them. And when we have go back in house, he used to have this style where he go in the room, close the door, and he dip on the phone, right? And our Berry apartment still like that one. Like the bathroom, you have to go through the bedroom to use the bathroom. You see, me hate them apartment. Anyways, every time we go in the dog room, the dog do a style like this. See it? And he would have covered the phones in and fully video. Yo, let me just tell the fucking story now. Anyways, the dog, long story short, Berry helped enough. See? When we didn't know, me have the TVJ interview and the dog will give me clothes. But go the first time I noticed it, and when we have the interview on the dog, when I walk in the room, God kill me now. Yeah. And me not fucking lie, me not a reason. Matter of fact, me don't care if you believe. Me don't care. I don't care. Believe or not. Anyways, I'm going in the dog room and I the phones in. Now there was another instance where me get a glimpse when I talk to him because I know the same person because I hear the voice. I hear the voice. See? So I walk in the room now and like, brother, you have to see it, bro. Long story short, is a man, the man shirtless, you see me, and dog have on a towel, you see me? And when me walk in, dog I think again, you see? No, you see now that me in the environment, I kind of understand, so they know so that you have a fish, and I groom me. I did it. Bro, me I tell you say, he move like him straight, the man, is he bisexual or him gay? But me I expose him now because in this me, I never seen nothing them time there. And me I say it now because I just do not care. So the first time I glimpse the man when I talk to is the same man can recognize the voice. Now the third time, but I remember if I third or the fourth time, but my sister is a man and the man did have in a tongue ring. Now I'm batty man that. Now I'm believe if you don't want to believe, I don't care. Yeah. The third time or the fourth time, I remember. The man did have a tongue ring. The second time I did see him, shirtless. But every time I see him, bury this. I hide the phone. Use a batty boy. Oh, use a batty boy. Oh. Yeah man, you kick me out because I never want me body with you. All I'm do is tell the man, say, bro, I'm not gonna wash my clothes in the house no more. And he still forward, record. But that man kicked me out, better at 2 o'clock at Corona. I couldn't go to my house. I'm outside for about 1.5 hours. I reach home 4 o'clock. I couldn't go to my house. Man kicked me out. He realized, you know, do it him. Brother, I did have my woman. Brother, look at me good. Look like me a fish. Don't answer that. Don't answer that. Don't answer that, because I know some waste man now chatting. But I'm my Blackberry from long, brother. Oh, Perry now. Alright, when it just come out, everybody know Perry a fish. See? Everybody know Perry a fish. See? And if you blind to that and act like you don't know, say Quite Perry is gay, avoid me. If you, anyways, when it just come out, the YouTube video, Dutty Berry introduced me to Quite Perry. Anyways, Berry introduced me to Quite Perry, and we went to this award show. It was a social media award show, but at the time, I'm a nobody. Nobody knew the fuck I was. And brother, I know Perry them dep on TikTok. I do not care. Don't care. Anyways, you know what I'm saying? Berry came got this award show, and Perry them did it. And them see me, and it's a long time, you know, so bear with me, but it's a, remember when, like, him come to me and him and say, oh, so this is the new, bro, them a treat me like me want new, I don't want a new artist, boss, and, but when me just come out, man, remember? Anyways, we did the award show, and the dog linked me, to say, yo, come introduce yourself to Perry. I remember who was there, but it was Perry and some other girls and some other guys, right? Dog said, oh, so you're the new, this is the new guy, and yeah, me daddy and bro. At the time, me not tell a lie. Me know him man a fish. Me know him man a fish. Me not tell no lie. Me know him man a fish, but no but. You're wrong, Kimani. You're wrong, no but. Me wrong. But me did we bury them and him say introduce yourself, and me did and me say, yo, yeah man, I need to prank them. So and remember him ask me, so where's your girlfriend? And me say she not there right now. Is it? And then the dog I talk to me and thing. And it was a group away. I remember I never walk away, because I never want the thing look away, bro. But brother, I know him man a fish, you know, but remember I some Diddy thing this in the dark. I told me want know the pussy club. You see what you do? Feel like a female. You don't run batty, man. You see what you do? Anyways, let me get the drama now. Oh, this Kaza, sweetie, I'm not go live with nobody right now. You know what I'm saying? Couple days now, this is how we cut and thing. Quite Perry message with me. Him slide up on my story. This is when Instagram never have no reels. It's a long time. See, he messaged me, and I think me that eat a big foot. I said this publicly, and the dog, like him text me and say, where do I? A long time, and remember, bear with me. And I send him a picture, like the dog text me and say, where I do? See, I don't know why me a message that fish. I know the man a fish now. Me a fish. I must that. Why you message the man, bro? Like. Anyways, the dog messaged me. I'm tell you what one. I told me a YouTuber, I never want to be disrespectful, and he go tell about Berry. And at the time, I never know Berry was a fish. So the door quote me. You're great, man. But hear me I say, door quote me. Is he at the time? The dog say, where you do? I'm say, I take a picture. I say, I eat a big foot. You know what the bumbuckler man go say to me? You know what him send a picture? You know what the bumbuckler man go say to me? Like him would go say, I know something I can eat. If you don't believe me, go kill yourself. Me not lie. If you don't believe me, go and kill yourself. I swear upon my life, Quite Perry send one picture and him write, him say, I know something. God kill me right now if I let me tell man. Boy. I'm not proof for this because a picture him say and a text him send me is a picture. Him frost. Somebody, yeah, I'm frost, but me I tell the story. Them are things that I used to hide from Uno. Now me not give a fuck, so me I tell you. I'm telling you, right now, the man send me up, respond to the Bigfoot, man still. Okay, what? Dog, I know the man a fish, you know. And me I respond to the man like. This come like some Diddy things. You are sure him a fish? Yo, what are you? Stop time. No, type. What are you trying to say? If I'm sure Quite Perry a fish, yo, bad you there. Oh shit, I'm not a moderator. Fuck. Bro, you're lucky me not see your name. Yo, banda you. The next time, look for him name. Man, ask if I'm sure Quite Perry a fish. You're lucky me not a moderator, yeah? I told me not go live. You do it for the like. You do it for... Boy, man, I tell you. Me the young. Quite Perry I just fish, so I gotta export. But I don't really want... I store that. Bury a fish.
That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time.